Ooh, are you feeling spooky this morning?
Yes.
Ooh, look
You're gonna
at
cast
that.
a spell?
I'm gonna cast a spell.
Hocus pocus, and whatever.
I don't know. I'm not good at that.
How's it go?
I don't know.
I don't know how it
Putting me on the
goes.
spot. I don't know.
Anyway, hey, we're mixing up some fun Halloween stuff this morning. Some cool drinks here with the help of Nicole Young.
Yeah, she's showing us how to be spooky, and these are like some great ideas if you're having a party, an adult party, or even a kid party.
Even a kid's party.
Yeah, you can make all of these beverages that we
they're
have
all
non-alcoholic
easy and fun.
Okay, so let's do it.
First cocktail, Sinful Sangria.
Okay.
What makes it sinful is our Dutch chocolate ice cream seller's wine, nice and decadent, not too sweet. Add some Driscoll's fresh strawberries.
Okay.
Add
Very
a nice
nice.
vibrant color. Now,
Then?
use your tongs, Corey. Pick up a pellet of dry ice and drop it in
Just
and
a
watch what
pellet.
happens. Just one pellet.
That's all you need. One.
Starts bubbling
Ooh,
up,
look at that.
smoking, dramatic. It's about to explode, Suki. Watch
I know.
yourself.
I was like,
no, it's delicious. And this is
Wow.
food grade dry ice. Never grab it with your hands. Make sure you use tongs.
Yes.
Make sure the dry ice is food grade so that you can actually drink the cocktail.
Oh, what happens
to
if
know.
it's not food grade? Oh, I see.
Okay.
Well, that's good to
That'd be a
know.
whole other kind of spooky thing that happens if it's not food
All right, what
grade.
do we have here?
This is our slime juice.
Wow, look at
okay?
this.
Kavoda vodka. I'm sorry, Kavada vodka. I pronounced
looked
it
cool
wrong.
in somebody's-
Look at that. If you're too lazy to make the drink, just turn it on. It lights
Wow,
up. $39.99.
Very
It's
cool.
a premium vodka for under $30.
That's a great gift to give somebody, by the way.
So I mixed just 2 ounces of that with orange juice.
Okay.
Now, Corey, drop a couple drops of blue food coloring in there.
All right.
Just a couple drops.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. Now you want to stir it up, give it a nice stir so it's going to take on a greenish color, right?
yeah.
Now, Suki, take these LED ice cubes
Where do
right
I
here
get those?
and drop
I
them
wanna have
in.
them
Any
for a party.
store sells these. You can order them online.
And you can
They're
freeze these?
inexpensive. You could freeze them. You can reuse them. And look at that. Then the drink starts lighting up. And they just
Wow.
float right on top. I like to throw a couple
So
in.
you can keep your drink chill and look
And
chill.
have it light up. That's right. And have it look chill.
Oh
That's
my God,
really
I love
cool.
that.
Okay,
that is
so-
really cool, and that's something you can reuse too.
You
so
can
I dig
reuse
that.
them, and they're inexpensive. They're like under $3 each.
Ooh,
little
love
ice
it, love
cubes.
it, love it.
Okay, next we have a bloodbath punch. So start off with a nice organic tequila. This is Casa Noble tequila. It was actually just voted the #1 silver tequila by the New York Times. So
Really?
check it out. Now, I added some raspberry puree. I just pureed down some raspberries, a little agave to sweeten it up. The key to making this drink cool, though, see how the glass looks like it's blood red?
Blood red. How do I
So
do that?
each of you take one of these,
Okay.
dip it into this mixture right here, which is just corn syrup and red food coloring.
Ooh.
Mix it around, make sure it's saturated, take it out.
Okay.
And when you turn it upside down, you're gonna see it starts dripping down, and once it dries, it gives you that effect of blood.
That is really,
that cool?
really cool.
And it's so
nice.
easy, and it's nice and sweet, so obviously you can, when you're drinking your cocktail, you're getting a little sweet mixed in there. It's really nice.
I'm really liking that.
cool.
It's
Isn't that
really
cool?
cool, and it dries up, and it
And
looks
when they dry,
awesome.
I would say put them out on a tray and let them dry, because you will
Yeah,
get
I
some
know.
dripping and you don't
Yeah.
want to make a mess, but once they dry, it looks really cool.
It looks wicked.
Very
I love
nice.
it.
Okay, next we have a drink that I call the Crazy Eye.
Those look crazy.
They
Let me
look
just say
crazy.
that.
Oh, wow.
I started off with Diplomatica Reserva rum, which is smooth and complex. A little bit of lime juice, shake that up in a shaker, pour it into a shot glass. Now these are
What are
actually
they? They look like
lychee
eyeballs.
fruits that I stuffed blueberries into, and then I put them in the freezer overnight. You drop it right into the drink, and it looks like there's eyeballs floating
That
in there.
looks like that's really creative.
Isn't that cool?
And you could do that with a kid's juice or something like
You
that.
could
That
do
would
it
be
with
a
kids'
lot
juice.
of fun.
You could even do it with like a light pinkish juice and throw the
Yes.
eyeballs in there and call it
Yes.
the pink eye.
Yeah, and torture your
Cool.
kid. I like
Torture
that.
your kid. Now, for your kids or anybody who doesn't consume alcohol, this is a Slimeade. It's very simple. You take some pink lemonade, you take your green, yellow lime jello, break down the jello with a fork,
Okay.
and then you just pour it into your pink lemonade.
So
and
it
it's
floats on top?
It floats on top. It becomes a two-tone drink.
I
and it
love
looks
it.
almost like it's some kind of radioactive slimy
Exciting.
cocktail.
Yeah.
It's delicious. Want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can try it.
Sip.
You want me to
He's like,
try
"Suki,
it?
you do
Yeah,
it."
you try it. You can-
He's like, there's slime in there. I'm not tasting that. Oh, come on. It's good. Isn't it? That's what slime's
I love
supposed to
drinksy
be like.
too, right? You know what I mean? Drinksy. But
it
it is
tastes
very
good, right?
It is good. You
Yeah.
know, it'd make it creepier if you put some dry ice in there.
Have your slime start
Yes.
smoking.
Yeah, have my
dry
slime
ice
smoke.
is really the key.
Look at that.
to
That's,
is
creating.
cool.
that's hours of fun at my
cool
house
special
right here.
effects cocktail.
Yes, I love it.
I might just start doing this for all my drinks. Just like start dropping dry
Just
ice
drop
in.
dry ice in.
That's pretty cool. Hey, thank you so much for stopping
My
by.
pleasure.
Some cool recipes. By the way, if you want to find them, they're all on pix11.com/morning news. We'll be
Right back.